The kitchen, where else shall I go? The place of food and happiness, the place of colourful scents that flow, the place of welcoming plates and ambience, the stove lit up with a blue and orange glow, the nostalgic taste that keep in your mouth, the mysterious plate that may come tomorrow, the oakwood table black and brown, the foul-smelling bins full of dirt, the sink where the dishes drown, the place I go to before and after work, the kitchen, where else shall I go?
I see you from across the street, all lonely and abandoned. It's exactly how I like it, how I like you, as I see you approach me from across the street. So oblivious, so innocent, so delicious. I purr, I call for you, and right then you walk right into my mousetrap.
As the wet white waves washed against the shore, a shadow goes through a toilet door. As always, the toilet was full of grime and it's dirty. He wished he had money for ice cream from Hershey's.
I saw him. I swear I did. I'm sure I did. Pale white knuckles gripped onto the edge of the cliff, desperate to hang on. He reached out, grabbed my ankle. His palms were cold, stone cold. A chill slithered slyly up my spine. My heart was racing. I couldn't be dreaming. I looked down. There, among the mounds of sticks and twigs lying haphazardly on the ground, was his hand. It was limp and bony, with a sort of hue to it which made it look even more deathlier than it already was. I jumped back in fright and ran. I didn't know where I was going, but I knew I couldn't stay.
Chloe turned into a street named Dark Alleyway. She had no jacket and it was extremely cold. She had no money to get a cab to go home. As she walked through the street, it started to get even more darker, but still, she continued, until she could be seen no more.
Comebacks, new songs, new concepts, debuts, new light sticks, new albums, new members, new acting roles, birthdays, Halloween costumes, solo debuts, funny skits, and finally funny V-Lives. K-pop 2020.
It's cold, she says. She doesn't think of anything else, not the leering trees, plants that turn, nor the towering moon and its eyes that burn. No, I'm not scared, she says. She doesn't fear anything at all, armed just with conviction and to gall. Are you scared? I ask once more. No, what for?